Here's how to save Audible books as MP3. First is go to the Audible on Amazon and click on the library option. Now, once you're already on the library options, you are now going to see there all the audiobooks that you have. Now, select the audiobook that you wanted to download the MP3 with. Click on the download options, and then you can see it there from your PC, laptop, or any device that you have that the audiobook is now being downloaded. After it was being downloaded, you're gonna go ahead and go to the files option and select there the audiobook that you wanted to convert with the MP3. Now go ahead and have a MP3 website that can convert songs to a MP3. Just drag down the file right there. And once you drag down the file, click on the convert to MP3 options. And now you have successfully converted your audiobook to MP3.